Captain Paul here with skin diver instructor extraordinaire, Jake. He's also a captain, but Jake, tell us why it is so important to go out with somebody that has professional qualifications.
Being in the water, there's several different things that can happen out here on a daily basis. So what we do is not only being instructors, but we also have rescue training. We have dive instructor training. So we go through a lot of different things over the years to be able to handle any type of situation that may be able to happen out here on the water.
That's great. And I think it was just recently where you got a life-saving award, right? The guy called you up and told you thank you so much for saving his life.
Yeah, we did. We had it just about Christmas time. We did have a gentleman that had one of those episodes in the water, and being on the front of the boat and being situationally aware of everything that goes around due to our training, I recognized this gentleman was struggling and having an issue. And when we got him back on board, he was not breathing. We started first aid CPR, got him to the closest dock, called 911, and was able to save this man's life. And then about a week later, he actually called me and pretty much brought me to tears when I heard this gentleman tell me that I saved his life, that he had been a firefighter all his life and never had it done to him until I was there to be able to do it to him.
That's incredible. And not only do we worry about the safety and well-being of our customers, but we also do the same thing with manatees. I recently seen a video on Facebook where you're rescuing a manatee or releasing a manatee. Tell us about that.
Yeah, that's one of my newest things that I've been fortunate enough. I've been in the industry a while now, and I got a special invite from Florida Fish and Wildlife to be part of the manatee rescue team. Being out here on a daily basis, and I see them on a daily basis, I get a chance to not only rescue people, but be a part of that team where I also take care of the animals and rescue them and release them, and it's just an incredible thing that we get to do.
That's awesome, Jake. If you want to find out more about what the things that we do here at Waterfront Adventures, go visit our website at swimmingwiththemanatees.com.